Okay, YouTube, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about multiple inheritance, meaning we will have three classes. The third one will grab stuff from first one and second one. Don't worry, code will be simpler than in the last two tutorials, I promise. Class, first one, and here we will have a section, public of course, and Python style of indentation, a string for, let's say, name, and let's give it a value, Jordan. Okay, for that dude Jordan Peterson, because lobsters. So let's create a method that will print that stuff, like print name, no parameters, and we will just see out that specific name. Custom kinda report, name, and line. Okay, that's cool. That's enough for name. For simplicity reasons, in our next one, we will say class second and public section and Python stuff and string for last, name Peterson, and not Slava Žižek this time, void print last name, cout last name, and let's grab actual stuff from container and line, and fine and simple up till now. Okay, that's cool. Now, how to inherit? Well, first we need to say class third. I think this is how you type third in English, correct me on that one. Right, so now how to say that you're grabbing stuff from first one and second one? Well, just use colon here and say what is your target. In this case, first and the second one, both of these guys, and you're reaching into public area of both of these. So public first, and of course there must be some differentiation between these two classes, so you must state comma here. Don't just have names of classes concatenated. The thing will be total fail. Second. Okay, and now in a public section we're gonna create a method that will call these methods individually. Why? Because we can. Void caller and operation print name and print last name, and let me fix this code. And in main section now we can reach into these like individually, but first let's create stuff for third one. So based on third class, primary object, let's say first one, and down there when you say dot you will have options. So in this case we're gonna say caller without parameters of course, and the result on the screen will be Jordan Peterson. And oh yeah, now the thing will work. There you go. So here's a question. When you have inheritance multiple one, you can also use, in this simple case, both of these like individually. Well, how I know that? Well, very simple stuff. Let's practice. Based on first one class, we're gonna create object one, let's say, and we're gonna say object one, and when I type dot I have a list of things. So let's just call this print name stuff to see do we have results on the screen. Okay, we have a Jordan, and the following same logic. You can go to second. Yeah, you know that up till now, so I don't need to type these things at all. I'm definitely sure that you know how to do this, but yeah, let's just do this, because if I don't I will not be able to sleep, because OCP, how to say this in English, obsessive compulsive disorder while typing things. There I was. Yeah, print last name, and let's run it, and we'll have Peterson again. So just remember, because this is very simple stuff, when you have multiple inheritance, just put that into appropriate like spaces, like borders, public, private, protected, depends what you do, and then down there in a third one or whatever you use here, just use a colon and say where you are reaching, especially in which area of which classes, and do have a comma between them. So down there you can create methods that will call methods. And also let's create something characteristical for this third one, and let's say here we're gonna have age, like int age, which will be, I don't know how much years he has, like I don't know, 53, I don't know, who cares. So down there you can even directly print that thing, because based on a third class, object will be like zz, let's say. So you will say object zz dot age, and nothing is gonna happen in a second, because see, nothing happens because we actually need to print that thing. So we don't have any kind of method to grab that stuff, so we can do something like that. This is stupid, it's hard coding, but it will get the job done. See, 53. The better option is just to have individual method that will handle the situation. So don't do that. I'm just showing that you can do this if you like it. But don't do that. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up. Thank you for watching. Just remember, use colon, use comma, use that specific area, and state those classes with a comma. Thank you for watching. See you next one.